The human brain is possibly the most complex biological object on Earth. You might think of the brain as one unified and singular thing that popped up into existence along with us. However, this is not really the case. Different parts of the brain have evolved over time to solve different problems faced by many species before us. If we look at modern-day humans, our brain has parts that haven't changed that much since far back in our evolutionary history. Older, more lizard-like parts have stuck with us because these areas remain very efficient at solving some of life's foundational problems. For example, the brainstem can be found in most vertebrates, and it's in charge of quite reflexive or involuntary actions like your breathing and heart rate. But a newer, more monkey-like part, the prefrontal cortex, it's a relatively recent addition. This area has expanded in size considerably for humans, and it's tasked with more human-like behaviors, such as abstract reasoning or long-term planning. Of course, the brain doesn't simply evolve apart to solve every possible problem. Brain areas intermix, they work together and flow information back and forth in ever complex symphonies of electrical and chemical communication. However, some parts are easier understood and studied as divided from the rest. The auditory cortex mostly processes information from sounds. The visual cortex mostly processes information from light. So, as you watch this video, each of your brain areas are working simultaneously to produce different parts of the total conscious experience that you're having right now. But what about your mental life that isn't being dictated by the sensory environment around you? What do you think is happening in your brain when you close your eyes and visually imagine something that isn't actually there?